Welcome back to our channel, folks. Today we're tackling an essential maintenance task for the Labnet MultiGene OptiMax Thermal Cycler, replacing the membrane. First off, ensure the cycler is unplugged and cooled down. Then, using a screwdriver, carefully remove the cover to access the membrane. Once the cover is off, locate the membrane unit. It's usually situated near the top of the cycler. Gently detach the old membrane from its housing, being cautious not to damage any surrounding components. Now it's time to install the new membrane. Align it properly with the housing and gently press it into place. Once the new membrane is securely in position, replace the cover and tighten the screws. A quick and easy membrane replacement for your Labnet MultiGene OptiMax Thermal Cycler. Don't forget to plug it back in, power up, and you're ready to go. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. See you next time.